You're probably wondering how I got here. Well, it's an interesting story. But first, let me thank today's sponsor. Today's video is brought to you by 1992 Chevy Lumina APV, making you say, yeah, that's transportation, since 1992. So basically, I was on my way back from dropping my kids off, and about halfway home, I heard this noise that sounded a lot like... And then all of a sudden, the van went from sounding like... oh, to sounding a little bit more like... ah! And it was around that time that I started to think, something might be wrong with this, maybe? So I got home, got out, kind of kicked the tires a little bit. I checked to make sure the engine was there. Hey, engine, you there?
Yeah, fuck off.
Yeah, the engine's there. And then finally I figured, well, if it got louder, maybe it's the exhaust, so maybe I should crawl under the van and look at the exhaust system. Ah, yeah. There's our problem. Luckily, I possess a particular set of skills that allows me to combine roadkill roadside repairs with my lack of ability to get rid of any cans I've drank from within the last year. So what that means is we can use this sugary diabetes drink to fix that. Now I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this trick already. It's typically used when there's just a small exhaust leak, but I figured what is a broken exhaust if not the ultimate exhaust leak? It's just the final boss battle of exhaust problems. So because I want that extra security that this is 100% going to work and not going to fail at all, we're going to use 2 of them. And then we simply... fuck this knife, dude. Hiya. Cut the can open. I'm like a surgeon with this. There we go. Perfect. Alright, let's go fix the exhaust system. On the bright side, it is very cold. Okay, so we do gotta cut this one again. I need to get some wire or something, I think. This shit needs to be blocks or something. To break the ice off this one. Breaking the ice. I need to get more wood. One. Look at that. It's fucking holding. I didn't think it would hold. Oh, let's fire it up and hear how it sounds. Because it's gonna sound stupid, for sure. Oh, baby. you believe it? Can you believe that? Can you believe that? This is ridiculous. Alright, so now that this thing's permanently fixed, I guess we can end the video here. Realistically, this was just to mess around and see if it would last until the weekend, because it's Tuesday right now, and I don't have a MIG welder here. Don't really feel like moving a bunch of cars in and out of the garage. So this weekend I'll probably fix it the right way, even though this would last forever. I mean, it's an aluminum can. It's not like it's gonna rust out, so it'd probably outlast the rest of the car. But this weekend I'll try and get it fixed the right way. My whole left side is just numb. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for subscribing and clicking that bell. I'll see you next time.